Another independent walk-around brought to you by livecars.com.
Today we're at Elizabeth's Purdy Trucks doing a walk around on a 2009 Chevy Tahoe. We're going to start our walk around right up front. One little scuff right there on the bumper. Going to check the tires, great tread. Just going to be looking for any additional dents, stings, scratches. Just a couple little spots in that little piece of trim there. No dents on the driver's side, looks good and clean there. Trailer tow is included. A little bit of scuffing and scratching here. Some of that carries out throughout the passenger side. Nice set of step assists have been added to help get in and out of this vehicle. Looking inside the Tahoe, you do get some power, multiple adjustments here for the driver's seat. It's a nice tan leather. 132,529 is your current mileage. You've got AM, FM, satellite radio. It does have a 6-disc CD changer in here. All your climate control functionality just below it there. Multiple power ports. Then all the flooring is going to be tan. It's going to be protected by these all-weather mats. As we look in the back seat now, you do get the bench seat for your second row. Going to maximize that capacity. Nice aftermarket DVD player, huge screen here. Great for those back seat passengers. And then both of the headsets are here in the back seat. You do get some rear air control and one additional power port. Those all-weather mats do continue back here. Looking in the cargo area now, this will be your cargo space when the third row is in its upright position. However, very easily you can flip and fold those seats, revealing some additional cargo space. Coming in from the passenger side, just taking one more look around. There is an integrated armrest here in the second row with some cup holders for a little added comfort. And these seats do flip and fold. Two flips, they're out of the way. You now have access to that third row seating. Take a nice look around back here. Now the third row seating can be removed completely if needed, and this second row with its ability to flip and fold gives you full pass-through storage all the way to the back. We're going to wrap up in the front passenger seat. You do get the same power option as well as multiple adjustments for the passenger as well as the driver. A little bit of staining here at the entry point. One more look over the seat. I'm going to take one more spin around the back. And that's going to wrap up your 8-passenger 2009 Chevy Tahoe.